Good day, YouTube viewers. My Opel Astra is making a noise here by the brake caliper that was loose. I used a house pipe, cut it into pieces, 10 mil, and I insert it in here, sleeve it in here. This is actually the pipe that I used. Insert it in here, sleeve it over the stud. It's acting like a piston here inside. Also here on this side, acting like a piston, and it's secured now. No more noise. Some guys use wire, springs, all that, but this pipe, house pipe, garden pipe, do the job. Thank you for watching.